Hello everybody, it's me jonesrmj here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. For Christmas, in addition to upgrading my phone, I also got these, the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I've been using my standard AirPods for almost 5 years now, and the batteries in them have pretty severely degraded to the point that I can barely get an hour of listening time out of them. So I figured that it was time for an upgrade. Without further ado, let's unbox them. Alright, so taking a look at the box, you can see the AirPods Pro 2nd generation there on the front. We've got Apple logo on either side, as well as AirPods Pro at the top. And on the back, we just have, AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case written in a bunch of different languages here. So, let's go ahead and pull open these pull tabs here. And then, like basically every other Apple product, just flip the box over and then we can lift up on the lid. Alright, so the first things first, we just have designed by Apple in California, which this of course includes our paperwork, setup guide, and all that stuff. Is there an Apple sticker in here? It doesn't look like it, so no Apple stickers here, okay. Just a bunch of manuals and whatnot. Alright, moving that to the side, and there are the 2nd gen AirPods Pro in this funny little plastic contraption. I could just carry my AirPods around like this. It's the same joke from my regular AirPods unboxing. But as you can see, like the new features, we have the lanyard loop, we have the speaker, and I think it's a microphone there for like the Find My support or something like that. But let's go ahead and set that aside for now. And right here, it looks like, okay, so here are the different ear tips. So in case if the default size doesn't fit right, I can swap them out for other sizes. And then last but not least, just a USB-C to Lightning cable. So, which I don't need that. I already have a ton of cables, so I'm just going to put that back in the box in case if I ever need it in the future. Alright, one more quick thing I want to do real quick before we set them up is I did get a carrying case, or not carrying case, but just like a standard case for the AirPods Pro as well. Just a simple black case. So let's just go ahead and pull this out. As you can see, it also has a lanyard as well, which is nice, and welcome to your exclusive, and we don't care about that. But yeah, so here's the case right here. Pretty simple. You can see it has all the cutouts for the different features in the charging case, but yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Let's quickly just peel off this plastic right here. And I think after that, it looks like it just slides out from the bottom like that. And yeah, as you can see again, just a quick look at the case. There are the AirPods Pro inside like that. Let's take a look at one of the buds here. So we can see that compared to the 1st gen, they're like pretty similar shape and size, but they do have like some new and improved sensors as well. They improve like with the noise canceling as well as like the spatial audio and whatnot. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's slide the case into slide the AirPods Pro case into the black protective case I have. And yeah, now this just comes over the top like that. I have to press down a bit. It does have a pretty snug fit, which I do like. And yeah, there we go. Alright, so now that they are in the case, let's go ahead and pull out my phone. We have my new iPhone 14 Pro right here, so let me go ahead and unlock it real quick. And just like with other AirPods, you just have to open the case while it's near your phone, and as you can see, you'll get a pop-up that says AirPods Pro, so let's go ahead and connect them. Alrighty, so now it's just telling us about the media controls, where you can like swipe your fingers with the capacitive touch sensors on the side to like skip songs and change volume and whatnot, which is pretty nice. We have spatial audio, so let's go ahead and set that up real quick. So it says we can use our iPhone camera. That's interesting. I guess it uses like the Face ID to like scan your ears or something with like the 3D scanning, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alrighty, there we go. So just finished setting up the personalized spatial audio. Quite an interesting process because it's kind of like setting up Face ID where you have to like turn your head so that your phone can capture like all angles. But this time instead of your face, it's your ears, so it can be kind of tricky to set up. But yeah, as you can see, after completing that, it looks like our AirPods Pro are connected. So yeah, I guess the next thing to do is go ahead and enjoy listening to some music with the improved sound quality, as well as try out like the noise cancellation and the spatial audio and whatnot. So yeah, guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude the unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. I definitely plan on doing a review for these later on in the future after I use them for quite a bit of time, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.